that thing is going to leak down because the seals are leaking in it. Stopped. So if you've already got your chain tension set properly and you don't want to deal with messing with the chain tension afterwards, changing your tire, this is how you do it. A couple on the side. Heading down in there. Gonna pry the brake pad, caliper, the piston back in. So we got some room to mess with that. We're gonna try to do this without pulling the brake caliper off. Okay. There. Move that a little bit too close. Okay. Got the tire down. It's going to sit there. Just sit that slightly to the side. Try not to scratch this ring arm. Okay. And that is going to fall. So just take that and lay it down in here like that. All right. Okay. And then we'll change our tire. Got the new tire on now. All right, Maddie, can you hold the brake caliper over here? It helps if you have a second set of hands. That right there. Have gotten it by myself before, but so we haven't touched the adjusters back here. And that fell out. Okay. So we got that lined up for the rotor to go in. Get the axle ready to slide in. Okay, hold the axle shaft right there. Oh, pull it out, pull it back. There you go now. Now go. All right. Sometimes these are tight. Oh wait, that. Why is that like that? Did it go through? go through the adjuster? Yeah. Oh, okay, we're good. Now this here, this is the part that's tough sometimes. You gotta pull on the wheel. There we go. All right, and then give it a good slap forward. The key is to the chain on, and you have to pull back on the wheel to get it to come through. A lot of people will loosen up the adjusters and then get the wheel all out of alignment to make it easier to get the axle nut through, but you can do it without messing with all that and changing your chain adjustment. It's set at 80 foot-pounds already. Hold that. Okay, there's that. Move back on. Of course, we're gonna get our brake compressed back. You grabbing me?
No, maybe.
Where's the other one? There's one on that side, right? On this side, down here.
This definitely looks better than the old one.
Yeah. There's a lot more space between the swing arm, too.
Yeah.
Yeah, that old tire, the sidewall was like way too thick. So when it heated up on the highway, it would rub on the swing arm. And it was like, when I would rotate the tire, I would see it do like this to the swing arm too, like it wasn't molded perfectly good. So don't buy cheap Chinese tires for $120 a set on eBay, guys. The front tire was okay, so they credited me for the rear one, and I went and bought just a regular GPR 300. Yep, all set to go now.